Hello, everybody. It's Ryan Smith, aka Ryan the Scavenger. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, a video showing my replacement of my wire stripper and my screwdriver that pesky Maggie took from me. Old Maggie struck again. Watch as we find new replacements. We gotta go here. Get a new wire stripper and a new screwdriver. Maggie, you bastard, you struck. Well, I was thinking about going with the $6.99 Quinn option, but I don't know why. These look way better. They're double the price. They're Doyle's. They just look like a lot heavier duty. I think I'm gonna get the $14.99 Doyle's. What do y'all think? Did I make a big mistake here? I don't know. I wonder how these will hold up being outside. We'll find out. And then the same deal, I was gonna go with a $4.99 Quinn two-piece set here, but crap, you come over here for $7.99 again, double the price. But look at how much longer the screwdriver is. I think that's the one I'm gonna go with. What do y'all think? Oh, yeah, this is natural. Demolition screwdriver. It's exactly what I need. And doing a little hobby scrapping to cut the rads off the end of the radiator. Scrapped out a little air conditioner. So, yeah, you just take the little grinder there and put it on the edge there and zip off the ends here real quick. So, about a pound for 20 seconds of work. So, yeah, maximize your profit, guys. That's what it's all about. All right, here's the new Phillips and flat and wire cutter. So, set them up here on my little magnet over here. These have the nice long edges on them here. Might have to slide him over a little bit. My magnet ain't working so well. But there we go. In memory of the wire stripper and the screwdriver. Hopefully they last me for many more years to come. We will see. And here is the AC motor. I gotta go get an extension piece from my electric screwdriver to get those 3 bolts off there, so I can get that out. Get her scrapped out. I do not have one of those, so any suggestions for a good tool for that now that we're replacing tools today? All right, guys. See you on the next one. Oh, and the damage. What was the damage? It was $28.86 with tax. For the 6-inch diagonal cutters, the 2-piece demo screwdriver set, and the 8-inch diagonal cutter set. So, all right, guys. Well, and here's what I went with, guys. I went with the, to get that compressor off of that air conditioner, I went with the 12-inch locking bit extension piece from Masterforce. It was $9.99. The Milwaukee was $30 for their 12-inch one. I'm like, wow, $30 versus $9.99. I know Masterforce is like the cheap Menards stuff, but crap, man. I mean, for the limited amount of times that you're going to use that thing, at least me being a hobby scrapper, I went with the Masterforce. So yeah, the DeWalt did look a lot nicer. Not DeWalt, the Milwaukee did look a lot nicer, but damn, and it was a little bit thinner and lighter weight. Oh, I don't know. I just couldn't see paying $20 more for it. So that's what I went with to get that off. So that'll be a nice added piece to the tool set. All right, everybody, you know the drill by now. Smash that like and subscribe button if you would. Thanks so much for watching. Over 1,815 hours of watch time, guys. We're really banging it up. Appreciate everybody supporting the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and keep on scavenging.